Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
U MLA Barim Jonga Mausanram constituency uba Himalaya M Shangpliang. Haga khalai tarik unailor arjar arpulai ula Pynïasoh yaladi batkan National People's Party rengkat ke jing sakhilang jong ginong yalamba hakmat bat ginong bot. Haga jing yalang kabalalong ha office traikam jong state party hanong ba Shillong. Ya uba Shangpliang la priang buram da u National President ka party u Conrad Kongkal Sangma rengkat ke jing sakhilang jong u National Vice President uba Preston Tensong kumjo ki MLA bat kinong yalam bahakmat jong ka party. Kumban supentip hang ni haka khat artarik unai lor arjar arpulai. Daki hajar ngot kinong board bat kinong yalam bahakmat jong uba Shangpliang hadien bakila resign na ka BJP kila Pynïasoh bat ke NPP haka jing yalang kabalalong hasnong Mausanram.
And while he signed, I request all of us to kindly stand up. I request Dr. W.R. Khaluki, our state president, to kindly hand over the action forms to Hima Shangpliang. Give a big hand of applause for Shangpliang Narumutan NPP. And Pascaba to hand over the tablet. Pascaba to hand over the constitution. Yes, giving hand.
I see Meghalaya emerging as one of the leading states in the country. Under the dynamic leadership of Sri Conrad Sangma, the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, and duly supported by Sri Preston Tensong and Sri Shobhalandhar, both Deputy Chief Ministers. And I am very impressed with the emphasis given by the party for the development of the state. I could see that the government is focused on entrepreneurship, tourism, on agro-processing, skilling of the youths, and various livelihood sectors. It is these developments that magnifies the purpose of the party. The endeavor of the party to support the farmers of the state under the flagship programs like the Focus and so on, and the party's assurance to continue to engage with the government of India for the inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India, and for the implementation of the ILP in Meghalaya, for which resolutions have been passed in the Assembly by the MDA government. These issues and concerns taken up by the party for the welfare of the people of the state have persuaded and convinced me to be part of the growth today, and hence I join the NPP today. Today, I commit myself to serve this party with all honesty and sincerity, and to serve the people of the state to the best of my ability. Once again, I'd like to thank the National President, Sri Conrad Sangma, for giving me this honor today. I also thank Sir Preston and Sir Shobhalandhar for the encouragement and support that they kept giving me over the days so as to enable me to join the party here today. I also thank the state president, Dr. W.R. Kharluki, for his kind consent to induct me into the party. My special thanks goes to a very special person in my life, and that is Dr. Didi Lapang. I'm very thankful to you, sir. I was very surprised last night when I got a call from Dr. Didi Lapang. He expressed his happiness that I am joining this party, and that's why he said, I am going to be there to be present and to witness your entry into the party. And thank you so much, sir, for being here with us today and inspiring all of us, sir.
To the Honorable National Leader of the party, Mr. Bernard Sangma, and looking back to the background of this family, here is the place where we got the stalwart like Purna Sangma, who led this the National Party role, and also to see that the North-East area has been very much under the purview of the honor and glory, and to see the sunshine and the light of the world through this stalwart area. Sobha Shibone, Bangyo Kanakalan, but Piai, and Kren Shikantin, Mercantin, Himalaya kalanti ka bajingai ngala da kanai voice nem ngala da menta ngala perkhat balese ngala leban songthai no then by wadon kala menta ngasu don kumne now we don hamne ki breu jongi ki bayalam ye ka patri ke jongi bat kumjuro ki bayalam ye ka sarkar ke jongi we don hamne ki office bearers yo ka patri ke jongi ba person tensong deputy chief minister also, and also Basiaba Lang Ibdar, Deputy Chief Minister, we don't Rohane, Honorable MP Jongi, Bakas Gomater, but Kumro Shibon Kini Bagamla and Jerkatang, like Shagalong, Bangidon Hane, the boy Hagan Gajaka, Namarba, have learned a lesson to see that we forget ourselves and we serve others. The Kaneka going for Hata Kanaka, Kavala again. Baka NPP ka kiu baka nang kiu haplan yung kiging slay yung kiging dak yung kiging yung kiging challenge kibadan na kanaka riga yung niya sa prang inang kiu managas ki bangin ngaya kiu sekliar yung kanam so masibone bagito inoelam yung all friends here from Garden Hills and from Mountain Ram especially we are thankful very much that you have decided to put the wisest suggestion to your leader Shangpliang, to see that he has chosen the way that he can lead along with you. And I hope that with the leader that Shangpliang is there, he'll lead you to the top of the hill and you'll see the sunshine and the horizon of the thing. You can really see that one day, Mountain Ram will also one of the big leaders of the state Yogi and also the nation. I complain the bar of height, but yes, him. Bagani kay don kami hande kan kran yangi batay bagini ay nanaya pikat bayas ko burut men tong in pendam regular de klang bo play panu kraw yangi batong in perkhat ba in perkhat yala de in perkhat lagani pare I complain to everybody, friends from Garden Hills, friends from all sides of the side. We are here together. We'll climb the hill, we'll take the challenge, and will not forget, we'll see it, we'll try, we must survive, and we'll succeed beautifully after we have our decision.
The kind of commitment, the kind of teamwork, the kind of passion, and the kind of environment that we would like to have within the party should be like a family. When you're in a political party, there seems to be a certain sense of a different mindset, which is, I'm not saying is bad, because that's what politics is. But while we are there for politics and try to do political activities, we would like to give it a very strong sense of commitment to what we do, a strong sense of passion in which we do it, and that is what drives us, and that is what is the strength of the National People's Party, and that's what differentiates us today. I was very happy that Sir Didi Lapang is here with us today. And it's a small example, but a very, very important example, which is to say that when we talk about ourselves as a party, as a family, we don't leave anybody behind. And we are kind of a family and a party which will always believe that those who have given their commitment and those who have worked for the state and for the party, it is the responsibility of the current leadership in the party, the state, to take care as much as possible and to be inclusive in ensuring that just because the person has grown of age and at a certain level is not able to contribute the way the person used to, that we just simply don't give them the importance. That is not the way the National People's Party works. We feel that every member of our party is important. Dr. Didi Lapang giving a wonderful speech, and I must say I'm just super impressed with his mind, the presence of mind he has, his memory, even at this age, the way he articulately expresses himself is just amazing. And so I thank you, sir, for your presence. It's a great inspiration and a motivation to all of us. And as a political party, we would like to say that we are happy that you are with us today, guiding us, and especially that you are here in this program today to be with us. In politics, and in service to our state and service to our people, we need to continuously move forward. You cannot be comfortable thinking that where you are fine. Never let the comfort get to your head and realize that you think you are in charge and you can do anything you want. I think it's important to realize that there has to be kind of a hunger inside the organization to want to grow, to want to move forward. If we are here today, let's go 10 steps forward tomorrow and continuously make efforts. And today's event is a testimony to that kind of a mindset that we share in the party, where we are not going to just sit down and say that, well, this is it. We would like the party to grow from strength to strength. And today I'm very happy to have Bahima, again a person, not just because he's a person I know very well, a friend of mine, but because of the qualities that he has. We have seen him in the assembly sessions. We have seen him how he is somebody who can really express and articulate and bring out the issues and concerns of the people, even though it may mean that he's bringing it out in an aggressive manner. But the point is, he's not doing it for any personal reasons, but he's doing it, or he was doing it at a point in time to bring out the issues of the people. And I really appreciate that. A person who used to do his homework and be able to express, I think it's a great, great asset for the party. And I'm sure that we will be able to gain a lot from the joining of Bahima as a leader, and also his entire supporters coming in and joining us will be a great boost to the party. And once again, I welcome him and welcome each and every one of you to the family of the National People's Party.